Hello everyone, I am come with one more video, that is how to hide subscribers on your YouTube channel. Let's go. At first open with Chrome browser, then www.youtube.com. Click right corner of your channel logo, then click YouTube Studio. After getting this tab, click setting button at the left bottom corner. Then click on channel section. Then go through advanced settings. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Remove that black mark, then click save and close. Then you check that subscribers are not displayed. If you add the black mark on display content, then you get the subscribers. Here, I hope you understand how to hide and unhide subscribers of your channel. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more updates.